Welcome to the January 2026 Nyanzaga Gold Project update. We start by flying over the process plant, following the coarse ore path over future conveyors 1 and 2, where reinforcement works for the coarse ore stockpile reclaim chamber have been completed. In the grinding circuit, mill suspended slabs are ready to be poured in the first week of February. At the CIL, jacking activity has commenced on the top strakes of the first 4 CIL tanks, and tank welding is ongoing. In our permanent camp, our team of artisans from the local communities are going from strength to strength. Our camp administration is close to completion, and delivery of our 400 en-suited rooms remains on track for completion mid-2026. We are now flying over the low security administration area with the process plant in the background. Our low security administration is on schedule, with slabs poured for the main site administration and medical clinics, and the footings poured on the training building and project office, with the team working on set out the remaining infrastructure. To close, we will leave you with one of our toolbox meetings. The Nyanzaga team have embraced the motto of safety first, which in Swahili is translated Usalama Kwanza.